What's up, guys? Now we'll be doing a monkey app prank where I put poop on my pants and pretend like I did a number 2 on myself to get people's reactions. So I have this poop in a cup right here. It's not really poop. I just mixed chocolate powder, flour, and water in the cup, and this is how it turned out. So I have some old pants on where I'll be pooping. Where I'll be putting the fake poop on. I'm gonna probably cut this part out where I actually put the poop on my pants. So let's put it on. I feel like I have to do it with my finger. Ugh. Okay, get more. Okay, so I'm gonna just go on the monkey app right now. My phone was charging, so I'm on 54%. And I'm recording on my computer, so the quality might be bad. Okay, so what should I say? I feel like I should say, oh, do you want me to? I don't know, I'm gonna just go with the flow. Dang, and I really lost all that. Wow, now I know. Okay, okay, it's recording now. I think it's because my phone was on Do Not Disturb. Hey.
Hey, what's up?
Do you want to see something?
Yo, can you follow me?
Bruh. Oh. Hello.
Hi.
Can I see your face?
You want to see my face?
Yeah. Okay, let me show you something. You like my hair?
Yeah.
They're not even saying that. They're just going, I really... Hello?
What's up?
Oh, I know you. Do you remember my hair? Do you remember my hair?
Yeah.
I guess he didn't see it. I don't think it's noticeable. You gotta go like that. Hi.
I'm gonna say you look cute.
What?
I said you look cute. Where you from?
Thank you, whatever. I feel like this YouTube video is mad dry. I feel like nobody is noticing it, or maybe I'm... Okay, let me try to... Okay. I didn't even get the chance. Hey. Hello? I'm not doing 2 people because they're, no, 1 against 1. Hello?
Hello.
Do you want to see something?
Yes.
Okay, do you like my hair? I feel like the beads make it look good, don't it?
That bang, nigga. What the?
You said it was a prank. Yeah, it's not that.
Hello. Hi.
Hi. Hi.
What are you doing?
What do you mean?
What are you doing?
What?
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Follow?
What?
Follow?
What do you mean?
Follow.
No. I even know what he mentally did the kiss. Oh. Bruh. My phone is about to die. Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm good. Do you want to see something?
Sure.
Okay. Okay, look at my hair.
Wow, that's cute.
You like my hair?
Yeah.
Thank you.
I like the bead. Hey, you gotta wipe that shit off your ass.
What? Okay, I'm gonna stop recording and then record back because I feel like the video shouldn't be that long. Let me see if it actually saved. Okay, it really saved. Look.
Hey, how are you? That's on.
Why?
Let me see your boobs.
What?
Let me see your boobs.
He knows I'm gonna. He knows I'm trying to leave. I'm gonna get. Oh, I thought you were gonna skip me.
Yes, sir. You said what?
I thought you were gonna skip me.
Nah, baby girl.
Okay.
Come on.
It's because they all know everybody's doing this YouTube.
What's up? What's up?
I'm expecting a funny reaction. Ugh, why are you making that face? Ugh. Ugh. Look at your. Oh, shit. like how they believe it, though. Oh, shoot.
Damn, girl, you shit yourself. Damn, you dirty. Hey, add time, motherfucker, fool.
Oh. I gotta
Damn,
go. I gotta
you
go.
shit yourself.
Oh, shit. She lives in Connecticut.
Yeah. Go get your damn food. Hello?
Hey,
Hi.
what's up?
That delicate beans.
Thank you.
I know what you're doing. I know I'm not
What am I
stupid.
doing?
I know what you're doing. I'm not stupid.
I be in the kitchen, souffle. Hey, pop that pussy for me real quick. Is that shit on your ass?
Alright, I'm gonna probably do 2 more people. Then I'm gonna go. Yeah. What?
What the fuck?
What?
You know you got some brown shit on your ass, cuz?
No, that's just the style of it.
Oh, I thought you
Yeah.
shit yourself.
She don't even know me and she's hit me. Wow. Oh. Hello.
Bumbuckler! Yo!
What?
Trying to fuck.
Mannequin challenge bit. Alright. I'm done with this poop prank. Look. This poop prank thing. Alright, I'm done. So, anyways, subscribe, like, and comment, and I'm out.